Dysfunctional vet. This is a greenhouse fan from Temu. You have a solar panel which is about as flimsy as you can get. This is probably flat screen technology. Flat screen technology is, if you will, the baloney of solar panels. Cheaply made, premium price, and it doesn't last that long. A lot of flat screen solar panels, especially when they come in rolls, and I want to say they're about 18 feet long and about 20 inches wide. Those are as cheaply made as can be. They charge premium prices. They can be anywhere from 100 watts to 250 depending upon it. As you can see, the fan is turning. Even with this thing not oriented right and being in pretty serious shade. Well, not when I've really blocked the panel. As I say, this is a greenhouse fan, and I bought this for my greenhouse. It'll come on when the sun comes on, it'll go off when the sun goes off. Since we live on a flat earth, NASA has to turn the sun on and off, right? Anyway, this is from Temu. It was $10, $12. It does move air, and this is adequate just to help provide ventilation inside the greenhouse. Dysfunctional vet out.